Kung gusto mo na talaga mag-start ng dropshipping business pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula para sa itong video na to. Ako si Erin from Ecom Mastery at gagabayan kita step by step kung paano mag-start ng dropshipping sa 2025 gamit ang Shopify and Zendrop. By the end of this video, meron ka ng store na professionally built, nakasync na sa mga suppliers at ready nang magbenta kahit wala kang hawak na inventory. At bago mo pa itanong, oo, ito rin yung same setup na ginagamit ng sobrang daming successful dropshippers na nakikita mo online. Let's break it all down from the beginning. Ano ba ang Shopify at bakit ginagamit to ng mga tao? Simulan natin sa basics kasi kung newbie ka pa lang, pwedeng medyo nakaka-intimidate pakinggan yung terms. Ang Shopify ay isang website builder na nagbibigay daan sa'yo na magbenta ng products online kahit wala kang alam sa coding. Isipin mo para siyang online HQ kung saan nag-check out ka ng mga tao, nagbabayad at tina-track yung orders nila used by brands like Shopify, Gymshark, Colourpop, and even small businesses that scale from 0 to 6 figures, kaya gustong-gusto ng mga tao ang Shopify. Beginner-friendly siya, pero sobrang powerful para palaguin hanggang maging full business. May built-in payment system na, templates and app integrations like Zendrop. Lahat ng kailangan mo, analytics, payments, inventory, sa isang dashboard lang. So basically, Shopify is your store, Zendrop is your supplier and fulfillment team. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang Zendrop. Ano ba ang Zendrop at bakit siya sikat? Ang Zendrop ay isang dropshipping and print-on-demand app na direktang nakakonect sa Shopify. Instead of buying inventory upfront, Zendrop lets you pick products from their catalog and add them to your store instantly. Let Zendrop fulfill orders when your customer buys. Kaya ginagamit ng mga creators and e-com brands ang Zendrop kasi mas mabilis ang shipping kumpara sa AliExpress o kani-kaninong overseas vendors. Better branding options like custom packaging and inserts at automated fulfillment. Ibig sabihin, you don't manually process every order. May mga AI tools na tumutulong sa'yo mag-rewrite ng product names, descriptions, and even generate tags so Shopify runs your store. Zendrop powers your products and fulfillment. Kaya i-set up natin silang dalawa ng sabay. Bago tayo mag-jump into Zendrop, kailangan munang siguraduhin na solid yung setup ng Shopify. Kasi dito madalas nagkakamali yung mga beginners. They either skip steps or rush through the setup and it costs them later. So let's do this right. Mag-sign up ka sa Shopify at pwede kang kumuha ng free trial at ma-enjoy yung 3 months ng Shopify for $1 a month sa selected plans. Ilagay mo yung email mo, gagawa ka ng password at pipili ka ng store name. Don't overthink the name. Pwede mo yan palitan anytime. Then you will land on your Shopify dashboard. So this is your home base, your digital storefront behind the scenes. At sa kaliwa, you will see a menu for products, orders, online store, and settings. Makikita mo rin yung mga boxes na tutulong sa'yo mag-add ng products, mag-customize ng store, at mag-setup ng payments. So ayusin muna natin yung essentials bago mag-install ng Zendrop. So you want to go to settings, then go to store details, and what you want to do is add your business name, contact email, and also your time zone. So lalabas lahat yan sa receipts and email na napupunta sa customers mo. Then punta ka sa settings at i-click yung payments, activate yung Shopify payments, so customers can pay by Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay. Kung ginagawa mo to outside the US, you could connect to PayPal or even Stripe. At pag kinlik mo yung shipping and delivery, kaya keep it simple muna. Mag-set ka lang ng isang flat rate for domestic shipping. Pwede mo naman tong i-update later. Kapag alam mo na yung average delivery cost mo, bibigyan ka ng free domain ng Shopify tulad ng myshopify.com, pero pwede ka pa rin bumili ng sarili mong custom domain later on tulad ng trendhost.com. Ginawa natin to kasi once na mag-connect ang Zendrop, it pulls your payment and shipping information automatically. So kung hindi to maayos na nakasetup, pwede mag-fail yung orders, na ma-process, o kaya hindi sila ma-ship. Now let's connect Zendrop. So galing sa Shopify dashboard, punta tayo sa search bar and at the top, type in Zendrop at i-click on the app once it appears. So I already type it and we can see it pop up. Kapag loaded na, i-click mo yung install. Sa case na to, installed na siya pero basically, i-click mo lang yung install. Shopify will ask for permission to connect the app and this is normal. Kailangan ng Zendrop ng access to add products and fulfill orders on your behalf. Kapag installed na, dadalhin ka na sa dashboard ng Zendrop. Ito na yung dropshipping control center mo. Kaya na connected na ang Zendrop, dito mo makikita lahat ng products mo. Isipin mo siya na parang warehouse kung saan pwede ka mag-search, mag-filter, and add products directly into Shopify with one click. So halimbawa, ng search, pwede akong pumunta sa search bar at i-type, sabihin na natin, jackets. So you'll instantly see product listings from multiple suppliers. When you first search, it defaults to ship from anywhere. Kaya kadalasan mas mura yung mga products na to but take longer to arrive. Usually, mga 2 to 3 weeks. Maganda to kung nagtetest ka pa lang ng ideas gamit ang low-budget traffic. Pero kapag in-switch mo naman sa ship from the US, makikita mo na mas mataas ang price pero 2 to 5 days lang ang shipping. That means mas masayang customers at mas konti ang chargebacks. It's ideal if you're running paid ads or want your store to look legitimate fast. Meron ding supplier filter, so there's Zendrop fulfillment, which ayun ang best option. It's reliable, verified, at meron tong sariling customer support. May iba't ibang options din tulad ng mga products galing sa Amazon, kaya kadalasan mas mabilis ang shipping, but less margin. So ang price range filter, it helps you filter by cost or profit range. Halimbawa, isang low-ticket product is around $10 to $30 at mas madali for beginners. And a high-ticket item is over $100, mas mataas ang profit pero mas mabagal yung volume. Importante to kasi ang pagpili ng tamang filter nakakatipid sa'yo ng oras at mabilis ka makakahanap ng profitable products. Now, let's finally click one. I will click this one. Once na binuksan mo na yung product, ngayon may napili na tayong product na titignan, makikita na natin yung product cost. Itong example na to ay $51.47. So this is what you pay Zendrop, average shipping time, so how long it takes to arrive. So makikita natin na 2 days lang tong shipping na to. Sa supplier pa lang, obvious na mas preferred talaga yung Zendrop fulfillment. Tapos sa photos naman, iwasan mo yung mga listings na may blurry o halatang stolen images. So once it checks out, I'm going to add to products and we can see add to product. Perfect, added na siya sa store. Alright, ito naman, yung isa pang example, parang women's leather biker jacket. We can see the average shipping time is 2 days. Ang halaga nito ay $59.65. I-add ko to my products. Ngayon, pwede na nating i-review at i-publish. Ito yung product tab. Dito mo kina-customize yung listings bago siya ipadala sa Shopify. So, take a few minutes here kasi this is what your customers will see. Para sa product name, pwede mong gamitin yung AI tool para mas mapadali at mas linisin ang pangalan. Halimbawa, you can change it to women's leather jacket, but here, they already noted that it's a classic motor jacket in purple. And so, yung clean names look professional at nagbibuild ng trust. Pwede mo nang i-type dito, purple leather jacket. I automate and then we can see here after we type purple leather jacket, it'll say chic purple faux leather motto. For the tags naman, you want to add 2 to 3 keywords katulad ng winter or women's outerwear at leather. So, bakit nga natin ginagawa tong product tags? It helps you organize collections at mag-improve ng search later on. Para sa description naman, sobrang importante ng part na to kasi pwede talagang maka-make or break ng sales. So, here's an easy structure that you can use. You can do a one-sentence hook like stay warm anywhere with built-in heating zones. Pwede ka maglagay ng 3 bullet points tulad ng lightweight and rechargeable, windproof, and water-resistant. Perfect para sa winter, travel, or outdoor work. Pwede ka rin magdagdag ng isang note tungkol sa sizing or care, such as fits, true to size, machine, wash cold. Importante to kasi karamihan ng shoppers, siniskim lang yung website. Kaya pag malinis at madaling basahin yung description, it looks confident and trustworthy. At dun pa lang magbuboost na ang conversion. Para naman sa variants, you want to check the size and colors and make sure every variant has correct photos. So you want to do the cost versus the sales price. Magsasuggest si Zendrop ng price. And you want to use it as a guide and not a gospel. Sa case na to, yung product cost ay $59. Yung suggested price is $187. Kaya yung profit mo is around $127. That's roughly a 3 times markup na nagbibigay sa'yo ng space para sa ad spend, discounts, and profit. If your audience is budget conscious, price lower, and then test multiple price points later on and see what works for you. Tapos naman sa images tabs, gusto mong palitan yung mga pangit na photos with of course clean ones. If there are also any logos, which there aren't any, pwede mong i-remove yung duplicates. There's only one photo here, pero ang goal is to make your store feel like a brand and not a warehouse. So, i-click ko na yung publish to store. Alright, ngayon nasa Shopify na yung product natin. Kapag naka-indicate na active, ibig sabihin live na siya sa site mo. Pwede mong i-click yung listing para i-check kung maayos lumalabas yung images, kung malinis tignan at ang title at price, at kung maayos ang format ng description. So gusto mo i-click yung listing preview at i-check kung maayos ang pagkaka-display ng images, kung malinis tignan ng title prices, at kung maayos ang format ng description. Kung okay na lahat at maayos tignan, congrats! Officially live na yung first product mo. Testing checkout and fulfillment before showing customers. Always test it yourself. Create 100% off code and place a test order. Make sure your checkout works and Zendrop recognizes the order. Once mag-order ang real customer, the order syncs from Shopify to Zendrop. Babayaran mong Zendrop ng wholesale cost. Zendrop then ships it automatically, and that's why this model works. Dahil zero inventory. Zero manual shipping na, and focus mo na lang is patakbuhin at i-improve yung store mo. At kung paano ka nagmumukhang real brand mula day one, magdadagdag ka ng about page kasi bumibili ang mga tao sa kapwa-tao, not faceless sites. And policies under settings. Maglagay ka ng policies, refund, privacy, and terms. Gumawa ng trust footer na may contact information or socials. Panatilihing simple yung homepage, a hero image, featured products, and one clean CTA. Small touches to make people think, oh, this is real. Scaling and using Zendrop tools. Kapag maayos na gumagana yung store mo, i-check mo yung extra features ng Zendrop. May branding options tulad ng pagdagdag ng logo, inserts, and custom packaging. May Zendrop Plus para mabilis na fulfillment and better supplier access to trending products. See what's selling across other stores, wag mo munang i-overthink yung scaling. Mag-focus ka muna sa pagkuha ng sales mo tapos slowly add new products. At yun na yun, natutunan mo na kung paano mag-start ng dropshipping step by step gamit ang Shopify and Zendrop. You built your foundation, connected your supplier, na-customize mo yung first product, and learned the why behind every single choice. Kung nakatulong to, drop a comment telling me what product you're starting with, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that actually make sense. Ako nga pala si Erin from Ecom Mastery, and I'll see you in the next one.